Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful silk thread lumba Rakhi and silk thread Rakhi for your brother. So this is a pair set of silk thread Rakhi. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some purple and golden color ball chains, some crystal chains, some golden beads, wooden beads, blue color stone, fabric glue, scissor, pink and blue color embroidery thread. You can use any kind of thread, and pink and blue color silk thread, and one piece of mount board or cardboard. First I am taking newspaper and taking this pink color thread and just wrapping around this newspaper for several times. Here I am making the bunch of thread. I have wrapped approx for 20 times. Now I am cutting extra thread. Now cut this whole bunch from one side. Hold it properly, all the threads, and then I will connect glue at this end and secure this bunch. In the same way I will add glue on other end. Like this. Now I am taking this wooden bead. This is approx 7 millimeter long wooden bead. So now I am adding little fabric glue on this. Just insert the bunch of thread through this and start wrapping this whole bead using this pink color bunch of thread. Do it very slowly and very carefully and hold it tightly while adding the bunch each time. Continue this process till the end. So this is done. Now I am just securing the end and cut excess thread and let it dry for some time. So bead is ready. In the same way I have created one more pink and two blue color thread beads. Now I am taking this piece of mount board and I have drawn two circles inside this. The outer circle diameter is 3 cm and inner circle diameter is 1 cm. Now I will cut both the circles. In the same way I have created one more ring of mount board. Now I will connect both the rings with each other. Now I am taking one more bunch of pink color thread and I will wrap this ring using this thread. So do the same process as we did with bead. Now we have reached to the end, so I'm just securing the end. Let it dry for some time. So ring is ready. Now I am taking one pink and one blue color embroidery thread so that we can tie the Rakhi. I am just doubling this and now insert this loop through this center hole and I will just create one knot like this. If you don't have embroidery thread, you can also use wool or any kind of other thread. Now again I am adding little glue on the end of this bunch. So this is dry now. Now I will start inserting one golden color bead. Then I will insert one blue color bead. Then again one golden. Then pink color bead and then one golden color bead. Do the same process at other end. I have created the braid using these threads, so I will show you how to create braid. Add any heavy weight on other side, divide this thread in 3 equal parts and start making braid till the end of the thread. So this is done. Now I will just create one knot at the end. Cut excess thread. So this is done. Now I will decorate this center part. So for this I am using blue color stones, some ball chains and some crystal chain. So just apply a little fabric glue and then add these chains. Let it dry for some time. Now I have added this bunch of blue color thread at one end, so I will show you how to create this. This is kind of tassel. So I am taking one piece of mount board, just wrap one thread around this and then start wrapping vertically the thread for approx 30 to 40 times. So this is done. Now I am taking first thread which we have inserted before wrapping, create a knot like this, and now I will cut this bunch using scissor. Hold it tightly and just start wrapping this remaining thread on the top to create the tassel. add little glue and just secure it. So the tassel is ready. Cut excess thread. Now I will trim the ends using my scissor. And now I will connect this tassel to the end of this Rakhi thread. So I am taking little more blue colored silk thread, add little glue to the end and just connect this tassel. And again start wrapping this. Again add little glue, secure it and let it dry. So it's dry now and the beautiful silk thread Rakhi is ready. Now to create lumba Rakhi we need again blue and pink color silk thread. This time I am taking wool, some pearls, some golden pearls, some ball chain and crystal chains, fabric glue, one jhumka base, eye pin, some chain of pearls, jump ring and 2 wooden beads. First I am taking this jhumka base and I will wrap this whole base using pink color thread bunch. So I have wrapped this whole jhumka base with pink thread and it's dry now. So now I will decorate this base using some ball chains and crystal chains. So just add glue and decorate this according to your choice. So I have added some golden pink ball chains and some crystal chain. Now I am inserting this pearl chain through the center part and insert one jump ring through this and just secure this jump ring. If you want to learn how to create this pearl chain, I have given link in description box, you can check there. So just secure this using plier. So the hanging is done. Now I am taking one piece of wool, just double it and again make a knot by inserting through this jump ring. Like this. Now again take both the ends of wool, add little glue and twist it and let it dry for some time. Now I will start inserting some golden beads, silk beads and some pearl through this. So this is done. Now make some knots on top of this. Now I am inserting one more pearl through this after creating knots, then making one knot at other end. And it should be of the same size as your wrist so that you can easily insert through your hand. Cut excess wool. Lumba Rakhi is done. You can secure it using this pearl. I have added one more silk thread tussle at this end of the lumba Rakhi as we did with the Rakhi thread. So the beautiful lumba Rakhi and Rakhi for your brother is ready. Isn't it looking beautiful? I hope you will create this. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.